Imagine being in a place so dark that sunlight has never touched it. Hundreds of meters below the ocean's surface, the last traces of daylight disappear. The water turns black, temperatures drop close to freezing, and the pressure becomes so intense it could crush most machines built by humans. This is the deep ocean. At first glance, it might seem like a lifeless void, but hidden in the darkness, something extraordinary is happening. Creatures are glowing. Tiny flashes of blue, green, and sometimes even red light drift through the water like living stars. In the deep sea, glowing animals are not rare. In fact, scientists estimate that more than 70% of deep ocean creatures are capable of producing their own light. This strange ability is called bioluminescence. Unlike artificial lights created by humans, this glow is produced naturally through chemical reactions inside an animal's body. Special molecules react with oxygen, releasing energy in the form of light. But in a world where sunlight never reaches, why would animals need to glow? The answer is survival. One of the most famous glowing hunters in the deep ocean is the anglerfish. This strange-looking predator carries a glowing lure that hangs just above its mouth. In the darkness of the deep sea, this small light becomes irresistible to curious fish swimming nearby. As prey approaches the glowing lure, the anglerfish waits silently. Then, in an instant, it strikes. But bioluminescence is not only used for hunting. Some animals use light to hide. Certain species of squid and shrimp produce light along the underside of their bodies. This technique, known as counter-illumination, allows them to blend in with the faint light filtering down from the ocean's surface. To predators looking up from below, these animals become almost invisible. Other creatures use glowing signals to communicate. Some deep-sea organisms flash patterns of light to attract mates or warn rivals to stay away. In the darkness of the ocean, light becomes a powerful language. There are even animals that use light as a defense mechanism. Certain shrimp release glowing chemicals into the water when threatened. This creates a bright, shimmering cloud that confuses predators and allows the shrimp to escape into the darkness. It's like throwing a glowing smoke bomb underwater. Despite decades of exploration, scientists are still discovering new glowing species in the deep ocean. The truth is, we know surprisingly little about this hidden world. In fact, scientists have mapped more of the surface of the moon than the floor of Earth's oceans. Every year, underwater robots and research submarines descend into the darkness to search for new life. And almost every expedition reveals something strange. Creatures with glowing tentacles, transparent animals that shine like glass, jellyfish that pulse with waves of light. Some of these animals look so unusual that they seem almost alien, yet they are perfectly adapted to one of the most extreme environments on our planet. In the endless darkness of the deep ocean, light is not just beautiful. It is the difference between life and death. And somewhere far below the surface, countless glowing creatures may still be waiting to be discovered.